In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to your Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a professional online presence starts with having your own custom domain. So let's dive right into the steps you need to take to get your domain hooked up to your Weebly website. First, you'll want to log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see different tabs. Click on the Website tab. Here, you'll want to navigate to the General Settings. This is where you'll find all the basic configurations for your site, including the options to set up your domain. Now that you're in the General Settings, look for the section labeled Site Address. Once you find that, you'll see a button that says Customize. Go ahead and click that button, and this will take you to the next step where you can start the process of adding your custom domain. In this new window, you should see options related to your domain. You can choose to either connect an existing domain that you own or register a new one through Weebly. For this tutorial, let's focus on registering a new domain, as it's often the easiest route if you don't have one yet. So when you select the option to register a new domain, you'll be prompted to enter your desired domain name. This is a fun part. Think about what you want your website to represent. This can include your business name, niche, or even something catchy that reflects your personality. Once you've typed it in, hit the search button. Weebly will now check if your desired domain is available. If it's available, wonderful, you can proceed with the purchase. However, if it's already taken, don't worry. The system will typically suggest some alternative domain names or variations that you could consider. Choose a domain that feels right for your website. After you've selected your domain, follow the prompts to complete the purchase. You may need to enter some payment details, and don't forget to check if there are options for adding privacy protection, which can keep your information secure. Now here's the great part. Once you've completed your purchase, Weebly will automatically configure the necessary settings for your domain. This means you won't have to worry about any complicated technical steps like setting up DNS records or anything like that. Weebly takes care of it all for you. And just like that, you have added a custom domain to your Weebly website. You can now use this professional address to promote your site, making it easier for visitors to remember and access. Before we wrap things up, remember to check that everything is displaying correctly. Sometimes it may take a few minutes for all changes to take effect, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't show up immediately. Ultimately, you'll feel proud of having your personalized domain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more detailed tutorials like this one. Thank you for joining me today.